have lost the nerve. This year flew by without a word. I had a plan to cross the world, but haven't left this island. The stores closed down and opened up. I said I'd do a sober month. I failed but tried and wrote this drunk in overwhelming silence. And I'll see my friends when all this ends, but now until then I'm holding out for spring. We can't let winter win. That's why I'm holding out for spring. Oh, I stay within. I'll keep holding out for spring. Homework and cancelled holidays. The blame gets passed to save a face. The smell of last night's takeaway just tells me I'm a mess. Still watching shows they recommend that don't get good until the end. I could be unwell, but then again maybe I'm just depressed. And I'll fix my head when all this ends, but now until then I'm holding out for spring. We can't let winter